Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to check your YouTube AdSense earning verification status. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. My Chrome browser right here. So you can do this on phone or on PC. So it's still the same process. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. The next thing you want to do is to click on search Google right here. Then type in AdSense. Then hit enter. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you sign into your AdSense account. So go ahead and click on sign in. So if you are signing in for the first time, you will be asked to log in your YouTube Gmail account and password. So once you get here, you'll be able to click on this three slider right here. Then you'll be able to go to payments. They'll be able to go to verification check. So click on that. Then you are here. Your identity. Then you are here. Verify your identity. So here, you will see that identity verification and address verification, everything here is complete. Once you get to this stage, you will definitely get paid from your YouTube earnings. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.